Welcome back to Review Theory. Today, we're taking a close look at the LG CordZero A9T-Ultra, an innovative vacuum that merges functionality with modern design. Let's dive into what makes this device stand out. The LG CordZero A9T-Ultra isn't just sleek, it's also powerful. Equipped with multiple cleaning heads, it handles various surfaces with ease, from dense carpets to smooth hardwood floors. Transitioning between surfaces is seamless with the A9T Ultra. Whether you're tackling dirt deep in carpet fibers or sweeping up dust on tile, this vacuum adjusts effortlessly to ensure optimal cleaning. Now, let's talk about the all-in-one tower. Beyond charging the vacuum, it features an auto-empty system that sucks the debris from the vacuum into a sealed bag, greatly reducing dust exposure in your home. The vacuum compresses dust to maximize bin capacity, allowing you to clean more before needing to empty. When it's time, just dock it, and the tower handles the rest, though be prepared for a bit of noise during the emptying process. Battery management is also smart. The tower charges the main battery and a spare, so you're always ready for extended cleaning without pause. However, swapping batteries might be tricky for those with less hand strength. The mop attachment adds a nice touch for hard floors, handling everyday spills and stains. Remember, it's not meant for deep cleaning, but it does help maintain a spotless floor with regular use. Maintaining this vacuum is straightforward. Filters are washable, and the bin is easy to manage thanks to the tower's self-emptying function, making upkeep as simple as it is effective. Overall, the LG CordZero A9T Ultra with its all-in-one tower makes a compelling choice for those seeking a high-performance, convenient cleaning solution. It's powerful, versatile, and user-friendly, though the operational noise and ongoing cost of replacement bags may be a consideration for some. That wraps up our review of the LG CordZero A9T Ultra here at Review Theory. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed product reviews and tech insights. See you next time.